01. So GameStop, just stop it. I mean, GameStop is playing with my emotions, man. Like, so you remember the other day I gave you guys a stock review. It was GameStop, and I was telling you guys to ride the wave. So yesterday, I came out, I did a stock review on GameStop, and I was showing you all the volatility that was in the market dealing with GameStop, and that essentially GameStop is a stock that you can buy right now. They have shut down over 800 of their stores worldwide. So GameStop is the most volatile stock that's going on right now. So people who deal in the financial space, who like to look at finances and how a stock is performing versus the business and the organization, this is very intriguing because GameStop, not only a stock but an organization, has closed 800 stores, but now they're in a short squeeze. It's literally flipping the market on its head. Like it in a sense, it's almost controlling the market. When GameStop does, begins to do well, the market does well. And when the GameStop wasn't doing well, the market wasn't doing well. Because yesterday I was up $200-300. Then GameStop started to drop. Then I was down $80. Literally, I was up 300, down 80. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a huge swing in profit. Okay, now GameStop is up. I think the last time I checked was 156. And so I just had to come on and yo, what is going on? GameStop, stop playing with my emotions, because it's when do I get in? When do I get out? This is my definition, as I've always been telling my guys on my channel. This is what you call riding the wave. Riding the wave. Now, there are some analytics, there are some indicators that can help you, but when a stock is being short squeezed, either you're going to hold on for the long haul and see what happens, or you're going to get off the wave until it crashes into the shore. That's my, essence when I tell people to ride the wave. Because as you see that tide start to dip like it did yesterday, I held on a little bit longer, then it got to a point where if I was to cash in my GameStop, I would only make $57 off a $600 investment. So I was like, no, I'm not going to do that. So I held on to it, but right now I'm up $300 on my GameStop. Okay? And again, this is not solid advice to go ahead and invest in GameStop. Again, because I told you, again, this is my method, my analogy of riding the wave when it comes to investing. And it's very, very dangerous because I could have lost out. But now if I sell it, I can make a great profit. But then again, it's what if it goes up and my profit could be $300, $400, $500? And now we're guessing. Now we're gambling. So now I'm looking at indicators, which really doesn't help when a stock has been short squeezed. There are some financials to look at, but nothing that's going to solidify me staying in longer than I should. But as I told you guys yesterday, if you had a little bit of money to play with, GameStop right now is a stock to go ahead and invest in. But now, I believe it was 2 or 3 weeks ago, GameStop per share was worth $18 per share. Now that stock is up $156 from the last time I checked, was a couple of minutes ago. So I really want you guys to think about that. 2-3 weeks ago, GameStop was $18 a share. I came out yesterday and did a stock review when GameStop was roughly around $70-80, and now it's up to 156, 160. Based upon my advice, but I did say, if you're a beginning investor, this is not the type of stock you want to invest in. It's going to play with your emotions. Now, for people who like me, you're hey, win, lose, or draw, I'm in the market. Win, lose, or draw with this stock, either I'm going to make a profit or I'm going to lose. That is the risk that you have. But the odds of you making money in the stock market are a lot better than you rolling the die or playing Russian roulette. That's not how you should be investing. That's called gambling. And so with investing, you're looking at analytics, indicators, you're reading news, you're watching trends, you're following that organization and company, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So again, I'm riding the wave with GameStop. Let's see if I get off just enough time to make some good profit without crashing to the shore. Financial Literacy 101. Learn money and be inspired. You guys have a great day.